In this video, we will share some effective natural methods to help manage and bring down high blood sugar levels. While these methods can be helpful, it is important to note that they should not replace medical advice or prescribed treatments. If you have diabetes or any other medical condition, please consult your healthcare provider before trying these natural remedies. Regular physical activity, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, can have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. Exercise helps your muscles use glucose for energy, which can lower blood sugar. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise every day. Consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Focus on consuming foods that are low in refined sugars and high in fiber. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods as much as possible. Chronic stress can contribute to elevated blood sugar levels. Find ways to manage stress effectively, such as practicing relaxation techniques, engaging in hobbies, spending time in nature, or seeking support from loved ones. Prioritizing self-care can have a positive impact on your overall well-being, including blood sugar regulation. Certain herbal remedies, like cinnamon, fenugreek, and bitter melon, have shown potential in helping regulate blood sugar levels. However, it is essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating these remedies into your routine, especially if you're taking any medications. Remember, while these natural methods can be beneficial, it is essential to work closely with your healthcare provider to monitor and manage your blood sugar levels effectively. By combining these natural strategies with prescribed treatments, you can take control of your health and thrive in your journey towards maintaining stable blood sugar.